Hi guys, I'd first like to say thank you for the support given to the more recent KitOps related videos. They're performing relatively well and I've been enjoying making them. Today's video is a little more of the same and we'll be making this piece. Our software is Blender 2.92 and the add-ons are KitOps 2 Pro and HardOps. KitOps is a kitbashing add-on developed by Team C that can drastically reduce the time taken to produce detailed models that can be reused at the click of a button. KitOps is available in a paid as well as a free version, both being able to load and use material and model assets, but creation and editing being limited to the Pro or paid version. There's a small free library of K-parts on my Gumroad to test the waters. All the locations you can find these add-ons and assets are listed in the description below. With all that said, let's get into it. In a brand new scene, delete the sun and camera. Drop the cube and scale it up by 10 on the X and Y axes. Apply all transforms. We'll call this the base. Create a circle and change the vertices to 3 to get a triangle. Enter edit mode and fill the triangle with F, then exit edit mode. This will form the main piece. With the main piece still selected, open the Q menu and apply a bevel. Give it some volume with the solidify mod, then Q sharpen. Sink the main piece into the base so that a small portion is still peeking out. Duplicate it in place, then scale the copy up very slightly on all axes. With the copy still selected, hold Shift, select the base, then press Ctrl and minus on the numpad. Select the main piece and duplicate it in place. Scale it up on the Z axis, then scale it down on all axes. We'll call this the tall piece. Before we continue, let's move all our form's origins to the 3D cursor with right-click, Set Origin. Duplicate them and drop the copies below the base. These will be reference pieces we can use later to ensure uniform proportions for any additions or alterations. Select the main piece, Q menu, Ctrl Bevel. One segment and press 1 to make it a clean chamfer. Select the tall piece and duplicate it in place. Q menu, add modifier, apply modifiers. With it still selected, enter edit mode, select the top face and scale it up, then select the bottom face and scale it down. Exit edit mode, hold shift and select the main piece. Q menu and choose difference. If the main piece is open on the inner walls, drop its cutter on the Z axis. That should fix it. Now's a good time to start applying some materials. As usual, I'll be using the materials KPack that comes with KitOps 2 Pro. Select the tall piece and duplicate it in place. Ensure all transforms is always applied with every form you create after tweaking it. Apply all the modifiers, then add a radial array from the Q menu, making 3 copies and positioning them like so. Now key Shift S and select Selection to Cursor to line it up properly with the main piece. Shift select this piece and apply a difference bool. Playing around with the scale of the top and the bottom face to taper it out. select the tall piece and duplicate it in place. Scale it up. Shift select the main piece, its tapered cutter, as well as the scaled up tall piece duplicate. Duplicate them in place, then move them up. Create a cube, scaling it on the Z axis and positioning it like this. Select the tall piece and shift select the cube and apply a difference bool. Shift select this piece and apply a difference bool. Shift select the piece you've just cut and drop the pair back down. Scale the bigger cutter up by a bit to clean this up. Apply a material to this piece. Create a 64-side cylinder, Q-sharpen and scale it down. Add a radial array of 3 from the Q menu. Make sure you adjust the height in edit mode. Shift select the main piece and apply a difference bool. Select both the corner cylinders as well as the empty. Duplicate them in place, rotate by 60 degrees and position them as shown. Shift select this piece and apply a difference bool. Once all the materials are applied, it's time to prepare the model for KitOpsification. This process simply involves making sure that all the transforms are applied. Bear in mind that this is specifically the transforms and not the modifiers, as this will compromise the flexibility of the final piece. You also want to make sure that the origin of every element rests on the 3D cursor and project origin. You can do this by unhiding everything and systematically checking every piece, fixing it if necessary, then hiding it so you know it's done. Select everything, holding down Shift, deselect, then reselect the outer cage. Go to Object, Parent, Object. Selecting only the outer cage, open the KitOps menu and click Create Insert. All's good. Name it. Save it, render thumbnail, and save again. We're done. Again, the links to download this piece and the other 4 are in the description below. You can give them a try using KitOps free. If you're considering getting these add-ons, using the affiliate links below will really help the channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.